In the field of civil engineering, soil investigation plays a crucial role in the design and construction of any building or infrastructure project. Laxmi Nagar, a bustling neighborhood in Delhi, is no exception. With its rapid urbanization and increasing population, it becomes imperative to conduct a thorough soil investigation in Laxmi Nagar to ensure the structural stability and longevity of buildings. Soil investigation in Laxmi Nagar involves a detailed examination and analysis of the soil properties, such as its composition, strength, permeability, and bearing capacity. This investigation is typically carried out by geotechnical engineers who collect samples from different depths and locations within the site. The collected samples are then analyzed in a laboratory to determine their physical and mechanical characteristics. One of the primary objectives of soil investigation in Laxmi Nagar is to assess the suitability of the soil for construction purposes. Different types of soil have varying load-bearing capacities, and it is essential to understand the properties of the soil before designing the foundation of any structure. This information helps in determining the type and depth of foundation required to ensure stability and prevent any potential settlement issues. Another aspect that is examined during soil investigation in Laxmi Nagar is the presence of any contaminants or pollutants in the soil. Urban areas like Laxmi Nagar are often subjected to various human activities that can lead to soil contamination. These contaminants can pose significant risks to human health and the environment if not properly addressed. Therefore, conducting a comprehensive soil investigation helps in identifying any potential hazards and allows for appropriate remedial measures to be implemented. The findings from the soil investigation also provide valuable inputs for the design of retaining walls, slopes, and other geotechnical structures in Laxmi Nagar. Soil investigation is a critical component of the planning and execution of any building or infrastructure project in the discipline of civil engineering. Delhi's thriving Laxmi Nagar neighborhood is no exception. Laxmi Nagar must conduct an extensive soil research to ensure the structural stability and longevity of buildings given its rapid urbanization and rising population. Laxmi Nagar's soil investigation entails a thorough evaluation and analysis of the soil's physical characteristics, including composition, strength, permeability, and bearing capacity. Geotechnical engineers often conduct this study and gather samples from the site at various depths and places. In a lab, the samples are next examined to ascertain their mechanical and physical properties. One of the essential. In the discipline of civil engineering, soil investigation is essential to the planning and execution of any building or infrastructure project. Laxmi Nagar, a